the topic we are going to see is parity test. Okay, see what is parity test? It is used to test the mean under two different situation or condition or treatment. Okay, that is, it tests the difference of mean between two dependent samples. Okay, the parity test tests the difference of means. Okay, so this parity test will test the difference of mean between two dependent samples. Okay, so this is the application of parity test. Here the first sample, okay, the first sample we will get from the first situation. Okay, first situation or condition or treatment. Okay, and similarly the second sample we will get from the second situation, condition or treatment. Okay, so we will find the difference of mean between these two, first sample and second sample. Okay, so here the most important point is parity test tests the difference of mean between two dependent samples. Okay, situation where parity test is applied. See, you can see the first problem. To test students' performance in exam before and after taking coaching class. Okay, next is to test the performance of two different diets on milk yield of cattle. Okay, to test performance of two different drugs on effect of curing a diseases. To find the effect of deep sleep before and after doing yoga. To find an athlete performance on before and after undergoing a certain training. Okay, so these are the cases where we can apply the parity test. Okay, so generally we will use the parity test in case of before after. In the problem, if you see the statement like before after, like that means in that case we will use the parity test. Okay, so these are some examples. See, for example, I am taking the first problem. Okay, that is, I want to test the student's performance in an exam before and after taking coaching class. Okay, so for doing this problem, I am taking a sample of size less than 30. Okay, for example, I am taking a sample 20 students. Okay, I am taking a sample 20 students. Okay, the first treatment A is before coaching. Okay, so before coaching I am calculating the marks of 20 students. Okay, before coaching I am calculating the marks of 20 students. Okay, similarly after coaching, okay, that is treatment B, I am calculating the marks of 20 students. Okay, so here we are having same students. Okay, here we are having only 20 students. Okay, so in the same 20 students we are applying both the treatment A and treatment B. Okay, so the treatment A is called first sample and treatment B is called second sample. Okay, see, I told that parity test is used to test the difference of mean between two dependent samples. Okay, we are saying dependent samples because here we are having only same sample. Okay, that is for same students. Okay, for same students we are applying two treatments. Okay, for same students we are applying two treatments. Okay, so here we will get two samples. The two samples are dependent samples. Okay, that is, we are testing the mean difference between treatment A and B. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, and next we see what is the difference between two sample t test and parity test. Okay, see, in both the test we will test the difference of two sample means. Okay, in two sample t test also we will test the difference of two sample means. In parity test also we will test the difference of two sample means. Okay, but difference is, in two sample t test we will have two different samples. Okay, but in parity test we will have only single sample, but we will apply the two treatments. Okay, in two sample t test also we will have two treatments. We will have two treatments, that is, we will have two different samples in two sample t test. In parity test we will have only single sample, but we are applying two treatments to the single sample. Okay, in both the test we will use t-test statistic. Okay, and this is the common between this two sample t-test and pair t-test. Okay, and in both the test the sample size will be less than 30, because in both the test we are using t-test. Okay, so in both the test the sample size will be less than 30 and we will use the t-test statistic. But in two sample t-test we will have two different samples. In pair t-test we will have only single sample. In the single sample we will apply two treatments. Okay, so we are saying pair t-test as dependent sample. Okay, next is the sample size. The sample size in two samples t-test may be equal or unequal. Okay, in two sample t-test we are testing two samples. Okay, so the sample size of this two sample may be equal or unequal, but in pair t-test the sample size in two samples must be equal. Okay, so this is very important point. Okay, in pair t-test the sample size in two samples must be equal. Okay, in two sample t-test is called independent two sample test. Okay, but the pair t-test is called dependent two sample test, because in pair t-test we are having only single sample but we are applying two treatments. So we are saying the pair t-test as dependent two sample test. Okay, two sample t-test as independent two sample test. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay.